We'll guide you through how to make fade transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, select the first clip in the timeline by clicking it. Press T on the keyboard to open the opacity property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to opacity so the transparency can be animated. This creates the first keyframe at the current playhead position. Set the opacity to 100% so the first clip is fully visible at the start of the transition. Next, move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should finish. Change the opacity to 0% by entering the new value or dragging the percentage. A second keyframe will be created automatically, causing the first clip to fade out smoothly during playback. After finishing the first clip animation, select the second clip in the timeline. Press T on the keyboard to open the opacity property for the second clip. Set the starting opacity to 0% so the second clip is completely invisible at the beginning of the overlap section. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to opacity. Then move the playhead to the same ending point of the transition and change the opacity to 100%. This creates a fade-in effect, making the second clip appear gradually while the first clip disappears. Because both clips overlap, the 2 opacity animations combine into a smooth fade transition between scenes. After setting the keyframes, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Watch carefully to make sure the first clip fades out evenly while the second clip fades in at the same speed. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Click Render to export the final video. Your fade transition is complete.